Freckles are a common skin condition that affects many people. They can be caused by a number of factors, including genetics, sun exposure, and hormones. Freckles are usually harmless and can even be seen as a sign of good health and a strong immune system. However, some people may want to reduce the appearance of their freckles for cosmetic reasons. This is where natural remedies like herbs come into play. In this video, we will explore how to fade freckles naturally using herbs. We will discuss 5 powerful herbs that can help reduce the appearance of freckles over time. If you're interested in learning more about how to fade your freckles naturally, then stay tuned. Number 1. Calendula. Calendula is a cheerful, bright orange wildflower known for its healing properties. The plant has been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions, including eczema, psoriasis, and acne. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that make it effective at soothing irritated skin and reducing redness. Additionally, calendula oil can help heal wounds and promote healthy skin cell growth. To use calendula to fade freckles, you can apply a small amount of calendula cream or oil to your face using a cotton swab. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. You can do this once or twice a week depending on your skin type and the severity of your freckles. Patch test on a small area of skin before applying it to your entire face. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions or skin irritation when using calendula. Number 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It is well known for its ability to soothe and heal skin, making it an effective treatment for minor burns, cuts, and other skin irritations. Aloe vera contains enzymes that can help repair damaged skin tissue and promote the growth of new skin cells. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and swelling. To use aloe vera to fade freckles, you can apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face using a cotton swab. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. You can do this once or twice a week depending on your skin type and the severity of your freckles. It is important to note that not all aloe vera products are created equal, and it is essential to find a high-quality product that is free from harsh chemicals and additives. No. 3. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is extracted from the lavender plant and has a wide range of uses in aromatherapy and medicine. It has a calming and relaxing scent that can help reduce stress and anxiety, promote sleep, and improve mood. In addition to its psychological benefits, lavender essential oil also has several physical health benefits. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help fight off infections and promote healing. It can also help reduce inflammation and pain. To use lavender essential oil to fade freckles, you can dilute a few drops of the oil in a carrier oil such as jojoba or coconut oil, and apply it to your face using a cotton swab. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser and inhale the steam to help reduce stress and promote relaxation. While lavender essential oil is generally safe for most people, it is important to note that some individuals may be allergic to it. It is also important to avoid putting essential oils directly on your skin without diluting them first. No. 4. Green tea. Green tea is a type of tea that is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. It is a popular beverage in many cultures and is often enjoyed for its distinct bitter taste and health benefits. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which are substances that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. The antioxidants in green tea can help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. In addition to its antioxidant properties, green tea also contains compounds that can help boost the immune system, improve brain function, and enhance metabolism. To use green tea to fade freckles, you can apply a cool compress of green tea bags to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also drink green tea regularly to get the antioxidant benefits. While green tea is generally safe for most people, it is important to avoid consuming too much as it can cause dehydration and interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients. Number 5. Parsley. Parsley is an herb that is commonly used as a garnish in many dishes. It has a distinctive appearance with its flat, dark green leaves and is often used to add flavor to soups, stews, and salads. Parsley is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and folate. These nutrients play important roles in maintaining healthy skin, preventing acne, and promoting wound healing. Additionally, parsley contains antioxidants that can help protect against cellular damage caused by free radicals. Parsley also has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections and reduce inflammation. And 2. Use parsley to fade freckles. You can apply a parsley pack to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. You can make a parsley pack by blending a handful of fresh parsley with a little water and applying the mixture to your face using a cotton swab. Alternatively, you can drink parsley tea by steeping a tablespoon of dried parsley in hot water for 10 minutes, allowing it to cool and then drinking the tea. While parsley is generally safe for most people, it is important to note that some individuals may be allergic to it. It is also important to consult with a healthcare professional before using parsley medicinally. While these herbs can be effective in reducing the appearance of freckles, it is important to note that they will not completely remove them. Freckles are a natural and harmless occurrence and should not be seen as a problem that needs to be solved. However, if you feel self-conscious about your freckles, then trying out these natural remedies may help you feel more confident and comfortable in your own skin. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before using any herbal remedies, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. You can also subscribe to our channel for more content on natural health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.